Make a great choice today with the 2011 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, steering wheel audio controls, XM satellite radio, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, CD player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.